I had the Super B dryers and decided to go with an MC dryer. I was going to order a new 730 Infinity, and they were coming out with the E500, and decided to go with the E500. Had a long discussion with the engineers and the president of the company over the dryer because I have the first one that was ever built. I have been very pleased with the dryer, have had no problems, very good company support. After we got it set up and going, company reps come out and checked it and the airflow because it was the first one ever made, and I've run it for 3 years and have been very satisfied. After using the dryer for 3 years, very pleased with the capacities. When we are drying with the dual chambers, it allows us to run full heat, top and bottom, and get good capacity out of the dryer, probably in the 500 to 600 bushel an hour area on 7 to 8 points removal. As the corn continues to get drier, the part of the split chambers that I like very much is that I can heat in the top and cool in the bottom instead of allowing all the cooling to be done in the bins and transferring all hot corn. Again, I have the first ECO dryer that was ever made. When we got it set up at the farm, I would like to acknowledge MC in the support that they gave me and sent a company rep out from the factory, which I am in Ohio and they're west of Chicago. That's not a short trip, and come out and check temperatures, airflows, and made sure everything the dryer doing was supposed to be doing. I guess that was very good support from the company.